She was the queen who defied all odds and ruled with an iron will. Catherine of Aragon wasn't just Henry VIII's first wife. She was the original ride-or-die queen. Imagine marrying a guy who's got more red flags than a football field. Catherine stood by her man, but not without a fight. This daughter of Spanish royalty wasn't backing down without a proper royal showdown. She was out there leading troops, defending her crown, while Henry was off chasing other interests, like looking for a male heir and a new queen on the side. But in a game where loyalty and love are currency, could her devotion really be enough to save her crown? Stay tuned to uncover the twists of fate, royal secrets, and the queen who never backed down, even if her husband couldn't stay faithful. Catherine of Aragon, the unyielding queen. Follow to see how the story unfolds.